Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a cool spiral pattern with Python Turtle. So, yeah. So open up VS Code or any code editor, open folder, documents. I'll create a new folder. I'll just name it by Turtle. And now select the folder. Now we're inside the Turtle folder. Now that we're inside the Turtle folder, I could create a new Python file called p.py. The best name you could ever give a Python file. Let's see. Py, not p.py. Now, p.py. Oh yeah, and before I watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of Python. And so, if I run the py.file, it doesn't do anything since we don't really have any code to do something. I haven't really told the program to do anything. So I can write import turtle, and then I can write turtle.forward 50. Now basically just makes a line, and that line, it goes way too fast. So turtle.speed 1. Speed, not sped. You can set it to 0.01. No. Hey, just makes it to be faster, not slower. Okay, it's set to 1000. 1. Oh yeah, and then I'll increase this to 100. So yeah. So it's basically just a graphics library for Python. It's really basic though. It can mostly be used to make like cool shapes and patterns, but not much else. It doesn't really have any practical use. If you want to make an actual game with this, I suggest you use Pygame, or if you don't, then you're just stressing yourself. You're just stressing yourself out. So anyways, yeah, we've got that. So what I want to do is that for I in range 500, what means going to repeat it 500 times. Speed, no. I'll just have to go to forward I, and then right 90. Hey, there's meant to be turtle.forward. So annoying. I'm just going to write import asterisk from turtle, which is basically going to import everything the turtle library has, and it also makes it so that I won't have to write turtle dot all the time. Hey, asterisk. There we go. So now it creates this cool swirling pattern, and I can make it a bit faster by setting speed to 0.01. This speed, it basically this forward, it basically makes this thing to move. Let me open MS Paint. So what the forward does, it basically makes it to move forward like this. And the right, it makes it to turn, this right's 90, it makes it to turn right 90 degrees. So it's going to move forward and then turn right 90 degrees. And the speed, it controls how fast it does it. Like, I can do it like, if the speed is, 1 million, it's going to do it like this. But if the speed is 1, and it's going to do slow like this. So anyways, that's enough demonstration. So I can set the speed to 1 million to make this a bit faster. Yes, it's how fast. Yeah, we have this cool square pattern, but we could also create another pattern. So I'll set the right to 50 to create a more of a swirling pattern. And I'll go forward I divided by 3 to make it more slower, to make the thing more condensed. So yeah, we have this cool hexagonal swirling pattern thingy. But I don't want it to have a constant speed. I am going to change the speed by I, which means ed, the dreaded ed is basically going to increase its speed gradually over time. Wait, let me experiment with speed 10 maybe. Speed 100. Speed 500. Yeah, speed 500 is basically just the same as speed 100. So right, I divided by 5. And so yeah, it's basically going to make the speed increase to be more gradual. Wait, so let me increase this to I divided by 10. So we have this, but this is just black and white. I want to make it a little bit more colorful. I want to make this a little bit more colorful. Well, if we want to make it a little bit more colorful, we could use this color thing. 1,1,1. But I would use colors. Import colors. It basically just allows us to, add, so be able to colorize everything. Give everything a bit more color. Colors.hsv to RGB. I divided by 500. So the values in here can range from 0 to 1. Anything bigger is going to cause an error. So we have to divide this from all of these by 500 to keep the values within 0 and 1. And you can also experiment a bit, like change this to 1000. Yikes. This is color cis. Spelling mistakes. Not this. This is boring. So just set speeds. I seem to know. There we go. Go. This is taking too long. I'll set this to 100 and divide these by 100, 200, and 100. Yeah, so anyways, you see that color is going to be gradually changing and make this cool rainbow thing. 200, 200, 200. Anyways, let me change this back to normal 500. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel ObaCode. Bye.